Work smarter. Subscribe to stay ahead of the curve.
Here's how the Jarvis Orchestrator transforms a chaotic fleet of 14 AI agents into a single, easy-to-manage command center. First, the single-port rule eliminates the need for multiple chat windows. You talk to one Telegram bot and Jarvis interprets your intent, automatically routing the request to the appropriate specialist. Vision handles SEO analysis, Shuri crafts copy, and Friday writes code. Because every request passes through a single entry point, you never lose track of which task is assigned to which agent. Second, the roster lives in a simple markdown file called soul.md. In that file, you define each agent's role and capabilities. For example, you list Vision with keyword research and on-page audit functions, Friday with code generation and Git operations, and Shuri with headline creation and copywriting. By editing this file, you can add new agents or change responsibilities without touching any code, and Jarvis reads the file each time it starts, keeping the squad up to date. Third, a shared state file in JSON format acts as a live scoreboard. When you ask Jarvis to run an SEO audit, it writes an entry such as status, pending task, CO audit, assignee, Vision to the state file. Vision monitors the file, sees the pending task, performs the crawl, writes the report back into the same file, and updates the status to completed. Jarvis then notifies you on Telegram that the audit is finished. This pattern repeats for every type of work, creating a transparent pipeline where you can see progress in real time. Fourth, system-level automation lets you issue high-level commands and watch the whole team coordinate automatically. Say, launch a new landing page. Jarvis breaks the request into subtasks. Shuri drafts the headline and body copy, Vision generates the SEO-optimized keyword list, and Friday builds the HTML, pushes the code to your repository, and even runs a quick performance test. While the agents work, you can relax or focus on other priorities, and you receive a single notification when the page is live. Because Jarvis never executes tasks itself, it avoids the hallucination problem that plagues many AI tools. It simply assigns work, monitors completion, and reports back, giving you full control and visibility. You can also expand the system by adding new bots, updating the soul.md roster, or customizing the JSON schema to fit your workflow. Security is built in by keeping all communication inside Telegram and by storing the roster and state files on a private server you control. Scaling is straightforward. Add more specialized agents, update the markdown roster, and Jarvis will automatically incorporate them into the orchestration loop. A real-world example: a digital marketing team used Jarvis to coordinate keyword research, ad copy generation, and landing page code deployment. What used to take 3 people 8 hours was reduced to a single command that completed in under 30 minutes, freeing the team to focus on strategy rather than manual handoffs. If you're ready to stop juggling 14 separate chats and start orchestrating a unified AI squad, grab the complete OpenClaw stack and the Jarvis protocol today. The link is in the description below. Subscribe for more AI automation tips and let me know in the comments which agent you'd like to add to your own team.